In this video, I'll show you how to delete an invoice in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left hand side, you want to click on the second option, which is for sales. Now, under sales, you want to click on the second option again, which is for invoices. And on the invoices section, you will see all of your invoices. What you want to do is simply click on the invoice in which you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete the Cube Land invoice. Click on the invoice. Now, once you click on an invoice, it will automatically take you to its details. Now, in order for you to delete an invoice, you want to head over to the top and right corner of that invoice and click on the three dots for more actions. Now, once you click on the three dots for more actions, below that, you will see an option to void. Now, click on void. Now, from here, you want to head over to the bottom and the right corner and click on the red button to void. And once you do that, it will take you back to your invoices and you will see that it has been deleted. In order for you to see all of your deleted invoices or your voided ones, head over to the right hand side of the top bar. And in here, you will find a search button. Now, if you click on the search button at the top, you can include the deleted and voided invoices. And once you do check on the check mark, head over to the bottom in the right corner and click on search. Now, once you click on search, you will automatically see all of your voided invoices. And on the left hand side, their logo will change and add a slash. On the status, it is also set as voided. Now, the reason why you only have void as the option instead of delete is because whenever you want to come back to that invoice and you accidentally deleted it or you accidentally voided it, you will automatically see it. But if you not include the deleted and voided, you can just simply hide it, and on the invoices section, you will no longer see the invoice in which you have voided. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.